I told y'all I needed another oven. See the fire extinguisher? My oven was on fire. When I tell you it rains, it pours, but get you a fire extinguisher. So y'all, I'm in the process of cleaning it, but anyway, I turned into Prince. When I saw that fire, like it was smoking.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause
So my oven caught fire and I ended up having to put these in, what is this? Air fryer. It caught fire up under here, and you know, when you open it, air feeds fire, so I had to close it up, run to my pantry. This is why I always say make sure you keep your fire extinguisher handy. So here they are. Where there's a will, there is a way, y'all. Look how beautiful, in spite of what happened to the oven. Once I'm done, I'm definitely gonna clean that oven tonight.
Ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too
So
hard.
y'all, I'm in the process of cleaning it.
But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain.
Y'all see that? Fire extinguisher sitting right there on that counter. Yeah, that one. And the oven door open. My oven caught fire. It's 12:01 a.m. and y'all, I put it in there. I cleaned the oven out, and I want y'all to know, because of what happened in here with my oven catching fire, we still gonna do the giveaway, okay? So go back to that live I did today about the weather, and you'll see that I'm giving away a buddy heater. To enter, just type in the word heater. Don't type in anything else. If you want to leave a separate comment, you can. But for the giveaway, you only need to type in the word heater. And that giveaway will be in a couple of weeks. So you have time. You have time. All right?
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall.